In this video I'm going to show you how to buy a helicopter in GTA 5 story mode. So the first step is to go to the helicopter platform. As you can see, I have one over here and we are going that way. So while we are driving, I want to give you a tip. Watch my other video, it's up here. And you can complete your full game with 100% completage. So you get a lot of money. You completed all missions in just over 2 minutes. So definitely try that out. I have also made a video about how to buy cars in GTA 5 story mode. So also check that out if you have some trouble with buying cars. And yeah, I will speed this a little bit up so you don't have to wait too long till we arrive at the helicopter platform. We'll see you in a bit. So, and there we are, guys, at the helicopter platform. So what we need to do now is basically go over here. And as you can see, there is already a helicopter. For now, you can change the stored vehicle, but what we want to do is basically go to our telephone, open our mobile phone, and go to the web. After that, you will click on travel and transport, go to Elite Travel, and once you are there, then you can scroll down and make sure you are buying a helicopter, because you are currently at the helicopter platform. But if you buy a plane or a jet, then it will be transported to your hangar. But you need to have a hangar to buy it first. So make sure you got some money aside or completed the game through the video I already provided above. And once you have done that, then you can buy a helicopter or plane. So let's say we would like to buy this one. Let's buy it. Oh, as you can see, I already have this one. But basically what it does, now if you go back, you can go to here, to your platform. And then you can select the preferred vehicle. And once you go back, there it is. So that is basically how you can buy a helicopter in GTA 5 story mode. Hopefully this was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!